Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create QR codes for your Google Forms. So let's get right into it. Click the 9 dots next to your profile, scroll down and select Forms. In Google Forms, select the form that you would like to turn into a QR code. Before you start creating your code, make sure your form is accepting responses. Click the icon in the top menu, shorten the URL, and click Copy. Now go to Canva and create a new project. The dimension should be 1080p by 1080. After creating a new project, scroll down to Apps and in the search bar, type in QR code. I'm just going to use the first one that shows up here. Paste your URL and click Generate Code. Resize the code to fit the template, then download it as a PNG file. I'm just going to scan the code to make sure it's working properly. And as you can see here, it takes us straight to the Google form. And that is how you can create QR codes for your Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.